You can write programs even in the notebook, and as long as they are not too complex, this might be a sufficient approach. However, the amount of code usually increases in an astonishing speed, and so we could get lost quite easily by using the notebook. IDE, which is Integrated Development Environment, is a separate application which supports creating and editing of code. I will be using the JetBrains software, the well-known and liked IntelliJ. The community version is free and this is sufficient for our need. It is very easy to install. We just go on the producer's website, link attached to this lesson, and we download the right version for your computer. On this page you should go to IntelliJ IDEA, click on download and select the community version. I will omit the installation process as it is straightforward. See you in the next lesson where we will start coding.